How to cultivate papaya, Carica papaya, in potted pot home for beginners. Papaya, Carica papaya, or bitic is a plant originating from the genus Carica from southern Mexico and northern parts of South America, but is now widespread and widely planted throughout the tropics for its fruits. Papaya plants have little or no branching. These plants can grow with a height of 5 to 10 meters. 5 Papaya leaf with a long stalk with the center of the hole. The shape can have a cangap or not, but usually papaya cultivars have an inner on the inside. The shape of the fruit of papaya plant round or elongated with the tip is usually tapered. The color of the fruit is dark green when young and light green to yellow. Papaya is a single-rooted plant and has 2 homes with 3 genera, male, female, and sessile, hermaphrodite. Fruit will be rounded when produced by both female and oval or elongated papaya produced by papaya pansy. The flesh of papaya is yellow to red depending on the species. The meat is formed from thickened carpilla. At the center of the hollow fruit with black seeds that are mucus-lined, pulp, to prevent drought. Papaya Classification. Kingdom, Plantae. Not included Angiospermae. Not included Eudicatyle. Not included Rosaceae. Order, Brassicales. Family, Caricaceae. Genus, Carica. Species, C. papaya. Papaya contains folate, vitamin A, magnesium, copper, pantothenic acid, fiber3, vitamin B, alpha and beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin E, calcium, potassium, vitamin K, and lycopene, antioxidants most often associated with tomato benefits. Because of these contents, no wonder if papaya fruit has many health benefits including, good for digestion, can prevent heart disease, can help reduce weight, accelerate wound healing and so forth. There are various types of papaya, including papaya Bangkok, papaya Hawaii, papaya Sibinong, papaya mountain or Carica, papaya Kalina and so forth. If you want to do papaya cultivation but do not have a large land, you can cultivate or plant papaya in pots. The following ways of cultivation of papaya in pot more. 1. Terms of growing papaya. Papaya can grow in lowland areas with an altitude of 1,000 meters above sea level, but grows well in areas with a height of about 50 to 700 meters above sea level. This plant requires rainfall of about 1,000 to 2,000 millimeters per year. But not to worry, papaya plants can still grow in dry areas but need to be watered regularly. 2. Preparation of papaya seedlings. Seeds of papaya can be obtained from the seeds of the selected fruit. Choose fruit that is elongated, not defective and free of disease. If it is selected, split the fruit and grab the seeds that are on the tip until the middle of the fruit and then add. Germination of papaya seeds can be done in various ways, such as by using a tissue or a damp cloth, or also by using a blown plastic bag. A. Germination using a wet tissue or cloth. First, soak the seeds that have been selected with warm water over the night. Choose seeds that sink and wash thoroughly and drain. Wrap the beans using a wet or damp tissue or cloth, spraying water occasionally to keep the moisture away. Insert seeds that have been wrapped in plastic clips and sealed tightly. Then place it in a place that is exposed to the sun indirectly. The temperature for germination is about 30 degrees centigrade. Keep moisturizing the seed medium by spraying water regularly. The seeds will germinate after 7 to 12 days. Furthermore, seeds seeded in poly bag or pot filled with soil mix and manure with a ratio of 2 to 1. B. Germination using blown plastic pouch. First, the seeds are soaked with lukewarm water for the night. Grab the drowned beans and drain them. After that, put the seeds in a large plastic bag and then blow. Then, fasten the plastic tightly to keep the air out. After 7 to 12 days, the seeds will germinate. 3. Preparation place and media planting papaya. Prepare a large pot planting place with a diameter of at least 40 centimeters and make sure the bottom has a drainage hole. Also prepare papaya plant media in the form of a mixture of soil and manure with a ratio of 2 to 1. Can also be added fuel husk or raw husks. 4. How to plant papaya at pot. Once everything is ready, you can do the planting. The bottom of the pot is given a tile fragment, charcoal kitchen, or gravel so that the water outlet holds awake. Then plant the seeds in an upright position and cover the roots evenly with the planting medium earlier. 5. How to take care of papaya in pot. After the plant is 1.5 months old since planting, if there is a papaya tree that grows not optimal or die immediately, do embroidery by replacing it with new seeds. Usually papaya plants will start flowering after the age of 4 months. Perform further fertilization at 2 weeks after planting using manure or compost. 6. Papaya harvest period. Papaya harvesting can be done after 9 months of planting, depending on climatic conditions, varieties, and treatments performed. This harvesting can actually be done as needed, for vegetable ingredients then picked when young and for sale picked after having a yellow line on the skin of the fruit. In addition to the fruit, papaya leaves are often used as vegetables and flowers are also used as vegetable material. Thus the discussion about how to plant papaya, Carica papaya, in pot in the home for beginners home. Hope can be useful. Also follow our next post. Welcome and thank you.